Well, like I said in the last video, we got a couple goodies for Christmas here. We got the bracket for my Hydro e-brake. This is actually going to put it out of the center console, so it's not going to be in the center. I'm having some issues with it right now, and honestly, this is going to make it a lot easier. And we got Gktech's cool packaging. It's like they know I drive a Black Z. And then from Z1, we got the hood strut kit, sorry, so we'll no longer have this dreaded pull right here. I'll be able to just open the hood and, you know, it stay open. And as a lot of you Z guys know, rear struts. We got the rear struts. We actually got the high-powered ones, so when I decide to put a wing on it, these will hold the wing as well. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Quick little install video. Not really sure how quick it'll be, but let me show you guys. Every time I open the rear hatch, we let go and she falls. Doesn't hold it open at all, and it definitely doesn't help now that it's cold. These go out pretty often, I see on the Z's. Get those little cat socks out of there. I don't know if you guys have actually got to see it, but this is the battery relocation that I did. Give you a little better look. Just got the O'Reilly's box back here. I went ahead and cut some holes down low so it's a nice clean install. And the boxes, it's not going anywhere either. The only downside is this top piece right here kind of sucks. Kind of sucks keeping it on. Oh, help flat it on the right way too. Latcher down there, but the other side doesn't want to latch, so the top box kind of sucks. I don't know. We'll find something for that eventually. Show you guys the inside as well. What we're going to be doing. Oh, let me go ahead and sit in this bad boy. Alright, so the Hydro. I've currently got it set up in the center console right here. And one, it'll be kind of hard for you guys to tell, but so this is all the way pushed back. Oh, I guess it's not hard because it's touching this. And I already have this whole center piece right here pushed back. It'll focus. So the new bracket that I have is basically going to run it outside. And then it'll run it, my camera, it'll run it about right here. So I'll be able to just pull it right here. Got that out. Now basically what we're just going to do is we're going to switch this bracket right here. Alright. This is the new bracket we're putting on. It's a little bit different. Basically just comes out, you know, a couple inches. Yeah. Alright. On with the new one. Oh, I put it on upside down. That's fucked up. Alright, I guess I gotta redo that. Alright, she's all installed. Everything's solid. She's feeling pretty good. The only thing I'm not really caring for is it's like right up on my seat here, but it is what it is, I guess. Yeah. Not too shabby. Doesn't even sit like that uncomfortable either. The wheel on. Oh yeah, it's like behind my wheel. Oh, Jesus, my door likes to shut on its own. Yeah, that's not too bad though. The only thing that I'm not really caring for is the wire too, the brake line. I didn't rerun the brake line. I actually didn't disconnect any of it, so I didn't have to bleed it or anything like that, but that's the only thing that the other only thing I don't really care for. I want to run it on the other side here so it'll go down and be hidden. But yeah, not too shabby. I actually like the placement a lot better. It's actually comfortable to grab right there. And the finishing touch. Yeah. Nice. All right, guys. Not too bad. Took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but placement's really not too bad either. I'm digging it. Likes to get stuck down. It needs to be rebled for sure, but we're going to run the line back on this other side, like I said, and then we're going to rebleed this, and yeah, I'm digging it. We're going to have to get a new bezel here so I can cover up that massive shitty asshole that I did. But yeah, not too bad.